go, let's all it.
And we're off.
Welcome to the highest mobile Giro drop tower in the world. Welcome to Hangover the tower.
In the world. In the world. Oh, this is high. I don't remember this in the James Bond movie. Here comes my copyright notice, my copyright notice, my copyright notice. It's a copyright notice, yes it is. So let's see what we can see. We can see a Helter Skelter, some Dodgems, the Wild Mouse XXL, the Olympia looping, that bloody awful spinny thing there, and the Star Flyer, and Dr. Archibald's Archie blah 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 blah. Are we at the top yet?
I'm too scared to look.
There's Battersea Power Station. There's an airport going to London Heathrow Airport, an airplane going to London Heathrow.
Shard.
There's the Shard. There's the British Telecoms Tower. There's the Ferris wheel. Oh, we're going up some more. Woo! Should we have a look down?
I ain't looking anyway.
I apologise if you see my crotch. We're still going up. That'll be cool.
Oh god.
It's a bit bloody cold though.
Big Ben then.
Is it what?
Big Ben.
Right.
Oh.
So we're gonna do a really cool look down shot for this, I think. So, woo! Look at my legs! Look at my legs!
Oh god.
Look at my legs! I apologise for looking at my legs. There's Dr. Archibald's VR experience.
Oh god.
Oh. A nice little slingshot there.
Oh no.
Oh my god, it's the police department. Okay, I feel like I'm getting cold now.
Oh god.
Right, oh look, there's two Star Flyers here.
Oh
Right.
no.
Are we ready?
No.
As you can see, the Bavarian village. As we now wait. I am enjoying the view, look, it's lovely. There's Olympia looping. Looping, looping. Hey, look, it says Chicken Run down there on that hut. When does Chicken Run 2 come out? Well, this is exciting. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you're still watching, put the word poop in the comments. Oh, we're going up some more.
It is time.